What's good, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone is having a great day. As you guys could see, the sun is setting, and that can only mean one thing: we have a night meet on our hands for today. I'm super excited. We're at ISSIMI here in San Carlos, and they're doing a Halloween event, so happy Halloween to every single one of y'all. It is gonna be insane. You guys, like, y'all have no idea. For once, we are actually early. Y'all see they are setting everything up. I figured why not come through while it's still some light outside here before it gets all dark. And I apologize, my voice is probably kind of scratchy, but look at the lineup here. New Rari. And we have the Technica, super nice color. Seats on this are crazy. Thing looks so damn sinister in all black. Look at this Technica. Got the M3s. Yeah, big tire setup. Obviously, it's looking a little empty right now. Everyone is still rolling in. Gonna get rowdy real soon. Perfect timing. The cleanest turbo ever. My guy Tyler pulled up with his pops. Shout out to them. This thing is looking so good. Last time I completely forgot to film this car, SF Sports Cars, but look at how good this Turbo S is. The wheels, they just got some new tires put on this, some nice thick meat, and it literally changed up the whole look of the car. Easily one of my favorite turbos out here. Nothing too crazy, no subtle modifications. Never get tired of looking at this car. Just done so right, and the lighting right now is not disappointing. We're hearing so many cars pull up, and it's just so freaking exciting because I don't know what to expect. So look at this, got the Halloween theme going on the Lotus. I'm so sad I didn't dress up. I wanted to be Batman and come on the R1, but it just did not happen. So hopefully next year. Check out the orange/reddish Aston Martin. Look how long this thing is. Big coupe. The carbon on the tail lights. Look at this BMW bike. That is nuts. This is so fire. And the carbon seat is literally crazy. Alright, here we go, y'all. This is quite possibly the coolest shop ever. Right off jump, 812 super fast. And they have music playing in here, so you already know how that goes. Even have bikes here. I'm telling y'all, this spot is going to leave y'all speechless, 100%. The canvas on the wall, Just all the art pieces and everything. There's no way. ISSIMI literally always has the best stuff. Like, when do you ever see this? Look at that interior, so on point. The brown leather with the blue. There's no way. The presentation over here always leaves me speechless. Yep, we're just gonna save this for the end. We're gonna walk around. Y'all are just gonna have to wait. Wow, the display on this thing, the lighting looks crazy. Look at that exhaust on the rear, green carbon. How freaking sick. And the cool stuff doesn't stop right there. It just keeps on going. Lancia. Coming over here always gives me Car Week vibes because you just see Car Week level stuff here. Maserati MC20 with a crazy kit on it. 720S. Got the GT4 RS, another 4RS, oh yeah, race car. I'm telling y'all, they have the best stuff over here. This is insane. More goodies in there, just wait, y'all. Got the Gallardo and a rear view shot of the MC20. I'm telling y'all, how crazy is the MC20 with a kit? I don't know about stock form, but when you got mods on it, this thing has tons of potential. Carbon roof coupe up top. And we gotta shine some light on that interior. Y'all see that blue popping? That is so good. And the yellow paint on here too has kind of like this blue-gray effect. So wild. I say this every time. Whenever a supporter comes up to me, shout out to my guy right there. Said he watches the videos. Leaves me speechless every single time. Shout out to every one of you guys. Let's keep it pushing. There's so much more we still gotta go check out. Got the Aston right here. Rare stuff continues. This is the Perf. A little bit of sim action going down over there. I'm actually a huge simulator guy myself. I play Forza all the time, except my setup is not as serious as that one right there. Literally, look at that. The seat is literally moving with, that's wild. Out of my budget for sure. But I wanted to show you guys these seats. So cool. And you just know I gotta hit it with the flash. That center carbon. I always forget the model of this Ferrari. I think it's F355. Yep. GT boys. I want to hear this thing start up because I'm sure it sounds incredible. There we have it. That is that section right there. And we turn around. 812 Roadster. Not a regular color either. No way. with the red seats. Or actually, those are seat covers. I'm tripping. Genuinely curious to see how much this thing costs on the build sheet. Got an NSX here in silver. The silver on these always hit a little different. And let's see what we have back there. Another Ferrari, Porsche. I think that's a Fiat back there. F430. Another Lancia. And the Mercedes Evo. I think this is actually listed up for sale right now for about 300K. So if you got 300K to blow, you can always buy one of these. Another Ferrari back there, 458. And then I think that's a 360. Got the 720. Another Lancia. Probably shouldn't be walking over there, but I think this is a Senna. A lot going on, and y'all see it. Speechless. Quattro. Let's keep it rolling. What is this? Fiat? Bro, what? Look at this old school Rolls. V8 Land Rover. GT. Lancia presence is strong out here. As you guys can see, it is getting popping outside now. Let's look at this Zonda before it gets too packed. I'm just speechless looking at these cars. I know a lot of you people aren't even able to see these cars, and that's why I love making these videos, because I'm just so lucky to get to see stuff like this. But let's see what's popping out here now. I think only a 356 pulled up so far. And we have an NSX, little green 914 over there. This truck is coming in hot. No way. But yeah, we have an SF90 right there in silver. Come on, sir. Got the carbon wheels on there. Got the E63 wagon. Gotta take advantage of the lighting we have right now. Look at this Camaro. Red on, I believe those are bronze wheels. Can't even tell in this lighting. Yeah, no point of showing the interior. It's just too dark. A pair of matching NSXs with the flip-up headlights. Like I said, I apologize if the lighting is bad, y'all. Looks like this one has the updated wheels from, I believe, the 05. Oh yeah, he did that. He did that. Superleggera in red. How sick is that SVJ with that blue neon going though? Shout out to ISSIMI for hosting this. Mr. Dave Carr meets himself in the Lotus. He got the candy set up. So damn good. The solid light in the rear. Damn Ford comp. Color is wild. What y'all think about the XMs? This thing looks rowdy in this color combo. Pretty fire daily. And the F430 reparked over here now. It looks way better on camera now. Why chicken drift go that crazy for it?